You don't need another sign. You don't need to be more ready. You don't need to have it all figured out. Your wealth, your breakthrough, your territory, it's all waiting on one thing. And that one thing is your yes. Saying yes to the assignment releases blessings. Yes, your yes is the key to unlock the door. Not your perfection, not your performance, and not your obedience. See, here's what changed when I stopped hesitating and said yes. I said yes to launching before I felt ready. I said yes to coaching programs before I had it all mapped out. I said yes to investing in myself, even when I was nervous. I said yes to writing, to teaching, to coaching, and to showing up. Every yes birthed overflow. It birthed clarity, healing, and unexpected opportunities. I didn't wait for confidence. I built it in motion. Every yes became a seed, and God multiplied the harvest. See, in Isaiah 1 and 19, it says, if you are willing and obedient, you shall eat of the good of the land. There's provision on the other side of your yes. So here is some lessons from the trauma-informed girl. See, the trauma-informed girl stayed frozen at the crossroads. She was afraid to say yes because every yes in the past cost her something. And see, God taught me every yes to Him heals what the past tried to break. I've said yes afraid, yes with tears in my eyes, and yes when no one understood. And every yes carried me deeper into destiny. Our spiritual reflection for today comes from Luke 5 and 5. And it says, Master, we've worked hard all night and caught nothing. But because you said so, I will let down my net. Ooh, and what happened next was overflow. Your yes to God's instruction always leads to multiplication, even when it doesn't make sense in the moment. Our call to action this day, ask yourself, where have I delayed my yes out of fear, insecurity, and perfectionism? What could shift if I just surrendered now? And if you're ready to say yes to your next financial, leadership, or healing move, join the Kingdom Wealth Vault under education. Let's build forward together. I'm going to leave you with these words of encouragement. So you don't need another confirmation. God already called you. Now it's your turn to respond. In this closing affirmation, I want you to say, my yes is the key that unlocks overflow. I trust the next instruction, even if I don't know the whole plan. My obedience is creating legacy. I will not delay destiny. Remember, we are recovering one breath at a time. Give yourself grace and stay fearless. Bye for now.